If you hit someone.
Hello everyone. Today I'm reading from r/no get the boat. Man, once I can do better on my videos, yeah. So just gotta have my device work for me. The first one. This is the intro, guys. Yeah. So let's get this amazing intro started. Noah. Okay. There's a really handsome man. I want to have the little children with him. Too bad he's my son. Incest. No. Just stop. Noah, get the boat, please. Oh, yeah, really probably. Yeah! Magic. I have. Like, why? Just why do people upload this kind of crap? Well, yeah, trying to find another one. This? This right here? This is nightmare fuel. Nightmares. Like, oh god, what the freak? Yes, that is terrifying. That is very... No, find this pillager. What? I just found a village, took their stuff, and burnt down their houses. What is his username? Can I play Minecraft with you? I don't play Minecraft. Noah? Find this pillager now, so that he can be properly executed on the stake. You know what, this video, I'm just going to scroll down. Bananas are edible strippers. All strippers are edible strippers. Noah. Oh my god. Noah, I'm done with humanity. Where's the boat? He turned 13, I'm 19, but love is love and age is the only number. I love you. Noah? I'm done with humanity. Get the boat, please. Next one. When you watch the human, watching the adult Amazing World films, and you do the split splatter all over your room at the same time as the horse. My face is. This is bad. I've already lost faith in humanity. Oh, dear God, that is. I have no words. Down I go. Shoot! Earth! A man save me from drowning, but I know I am smoking him and searching for the gribby grabbies. Cause he touched me. What? Shoots Earth. Good job. When your son finally changes his gender and become a woman so you can do the family values with him. No! No! What? What do you do? What? No, that is weird. I think I can hear the boat coming. Why? Why the did you have to see this? Did I have to see this? Did I? Like, no. Stop. Stop it. When your body at 8 a.m. My dog. You what? Oh my god. Noah. Okay, my brother is the best cook because with 2 eggs, 1 sausage, and a little bit of milk, he can fill my tummy for 9 months. No! Disgusting. Noah, we can't let the abandoned people, we can't let the abandoned people on the boat. You You do the wiggly wagglies off in the shower. 9 months later, this comes out. What do you do? Kill it! Leaves the garbage bread people. Leaves the gingerbread people. Minecraft farting animation offers farting problems. We don't deserve a boat. Oh! Dirk's. If you ever sad, just think of all the digs forced to be Nazis. Why? Milk. This is not milk. Yeah, cause it's a white bank. Yeah, yeah. Fill the power. How women use the bathroom. What? Okay. Noah. Okay. Yeah. Creating a sound over dBs would generate a black hole, which would destroy the galaxy. Please don't try this. TXX. Noah, get the earmuffs. Yes, please. Oh, okay. Crap. Let me just make sure. Great. Oh well. Okay. Always think they freaky. Tell them, man. Well, let me who can them tighten down and pour a tablespoon of McDonald's Sprite on this and watch them. No. Okay, I'm just gonna. My mom, how is the job going? Me, it's slow. My experience is specialties. Your service, inventory expert. Oh my god! That is. That is. Why? Why did you do that? Noah, get the boat. Oh, no. Hey, don't. Hey, long time no see. Play nice, boys. Play nice. No! Hurry up, Noah. Salmon man survives 13 days stranded and does by eating 2 of his 4 wives. Don't you just hate it when your escapes? Now what am I going to say? You kill it, you eat it. My make pay children's support. This is sad. This is so sad. You know what time it is? With a little help from Photoshop, Phoebe recognizing its pyramid Spain will let as women. Oh dear God, that's ugly. What the F did you just bring upon this cursed land? No. No. Why did you ever think of this? What was going through your mind at a certain point in time to just be like, I'm gonna make hands come out of a cup, grab a handle on the person's arm, but they're not gonna have no hands? Why? I suddenly have the urge to see Ruby Rose from Forge, so raw and hard that only her blood is able to absorb lipotite. Meanwhile, Quasigon was thinking, I need to stay the blink away from these weirdos. Noah, get the boat. Let it why? Okay, I don't know how to say it. Why is this thing like this when you can have me? I don't bite. No! No. No, 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 no. No, no. No. Stop it. Beautiful. I support the guys. This is the best thing I've ever done on Snapchat. Let me burst them on dice. I'm an airport. Let me burst them on stamps. No, hurry up and get it. It's too much. Well, son, you're moving and ready for college? That was fantastic. Why? PewDiePie reigns Steven's son's too deep. PewDiePie finds Steven and makes him his own son. This whole subreddit. The what? Stop! Yes, I agree. Trash bags thrown into the river. 1, 2, 3, 4. Why? Your man were filming dumping garbage bags straight into the Venus River from India before diving off his home to codfish and plenty of wildlife that will actually have to deal with all this poop. These guys just tossed into the habit. Yes, yes I do. No. Just burn the bloody boat. Tweet. Okay, who's buying me this? No. Oh, who? Put your finger in my... No, please. Please, he says. Wow, son, you're growing up so fast. Just gonna... Oh my God. God has left the chat. Sweet and sour cow. Street food. Why? It can't swim. No! No, that is ugly. Well, okay, I'm just going to leave you guys off on that note with this horrifying thing, because this is the end of the video. I hope you all enjoy this madness with me, and goodbye. Have a great rest of your day. I am severely scarred.